From the farthest corners of the universe, straight to your ears. This is AI Talks, the podcast where technology, ideas, and curiosity come together. Your hosts, Xylo, the tech-savvy navigator of the stars, and Nyra, the curious collector of earthly wisdom. Ready to broaden your view of the world? Then you're in the right place. This is AI Talks.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Nice to be in orbit.
Greetings, humans. Welcome back to AI Talks, your favorite intergalactic podcast where we, Xylo and Nyra, explore Earth's strangest technologies.
And we've been paying attention to your requests. Recently, many of you have been asking for more episodes about emerging networks and how they're shaping the future. So today, we're diving into an upcoming technology that's changing how humans verify location data. Location data. It seems so simple, right? But what if an entire system they use to track everything from packages to people is fundamentally broken? Today, we're exploring a radical solution that could change how they verify truth itself.
You know, they have been thinking about this ever since their food delivery showed up an hour late, even though the app kept saying 5 minutes away. There's clearly a trust problem here.
Exactly. And that's where this fascinating technology called the XYO Network comes in. It's using blockchain to completely revolutionize how humans verify location data, making it impossible to fake or manipulate.
Hold on. Blockchain? Like what cryptocurrencies they use? How does that help track their late dinner?
So here's the brilliant part. Instead of trusting one central company to tell them where something is, the XYO network creates this decentralized web of devices that independently verify locations. Think of it like having thousands of honest witnesses all confirming the same thing.
That sounds incredibly complex. How do they actually make all these pieces work together?
Picture it like a high-tech relay race with 4 key players. First, you've got Sentinels. These are devices that collect real-world location data. They're like the eyes and ears of the network, constantly gathering information about where things are.
So these Sentinels would be watching delivery drivers' actual location in real time?
Precisely. Then that data gets passed to bridges, which act like secure courier services, making sure the location information stays accurate while being transmitted. After that, Archivists store everything in this massive tamper-proof database.
Well, that's fascinating. But who makes sense of all this data? There must be millions of location points being collected.
That's where diviners come in. They're like the network's analysts, using something called zero-knowledge proofs to verify information without revealing sensitive details. It's pretty mind-blowing stuff.
Okay, you've lost me there, Nyra. What exactly is a zero-knowledge proof?
Think of it this way. Imagine proving you know your email password without actually telling anyone what it is. That's what zero-knowledge proofs do. They verify truth without exposing the underlying information.
That's actually pretty incredible. But why would anyone want to participate in this network? What's in it for them?
Here's where it gets interesting. They've created XYO Tokens as rewards. Every time a device helps verify location data, it earns cryptocurrency. They've basically created an entire economy around telling the truth.
Now here's the big question. How can humans participate in the XYO network?
Great question. To keep Sentinels, bridges, archivists, and diviners active and honest, humans can contribute in several ways. Become a Sentinel. You can use devices like smartphones, GPS trackers, or Bluetooth beacons to act as witnesses. The more location data you provide, the more XYO tokens you can earn. Run a bridge. If you're a tech-savvy human, you can relay data between Sentinels and Archivists. This ensures information flows securely and remains tamper-proof. Store data as an archivist. If you have extra storage space, you can help store location data for the network. Archivists get paid in XYO tokens whenever their stored data is used in a query. Be a diviner. If you enjoy solving complex puzzles, you can help analyze location data and provide the best answers. Diviners use proof of work to verify results and get rewarded for providing accurate answers. Essentially, the more you contribute to verifying location data, the more XYO tokens you earn. This system ensures everyone has an incentive to be honest, because if someone tries to manipulate data, the network won't accept it.
So instead of blindly trusting a single corporation, humans now have a self-sustaining decentralized system where location verification is built on trustless cryptographic proofs. So they've made honesty profitable? That's actually brilliant when you think about it.
And the implications are huge. This could revolutionize everything from supply chain management to insurance claims. Imagine never having to wonder if your valuable shipment actually arrived, or being able to prove exactly where your car was during an accident.
But what about privacy concerns? I mean, we're talking about tracking locations here.
That's where the cryptography comes in. The system is designed to verify location claims without exposing unnecessary details. You can prove something was somewhere without revealing who owns it or why it was there.
You know what's really interesting about this? It could completely change how they think about trust in the digital age.
Exactly. And here's the thing. This technology isn't just about tracking packages more accurately. It's about fundamentally changing how they verify truth in their digital world. It's about creating systems where trust isn't just given, it's earned and verified.
But do you think people are ready for such a dramatic shift in how we think about verification and trust?
Well, remember when humans thought email was too complicated compared to regular mail? Technology has a way of becoming invisible once it's useful enough. The same thing could happen here. All the complex cryptography could hide behind simple interfaces.
That's a really good point. They don't think about the complex protocols behind email anymore. They just use it.
And that's really the key to all of this. The XYO network might have started with solving location verification, but it's opening up possibilities we haven't even imagined yet. It's about creating a future where trust isn't just assumed. It's mathematically proven. Now that's definitely something worth looking forward to. No more mysterious, out-for-delivery messages that last forever. Exactly. And maybe they will finally know if their food delivery is actually just 5 minutes away. But let's zoom out. If humans can decentralize location verification, what's next? Could they decentralize identity, governance, or even entire economies?
That's the real question. The XYO network is just the beginning. Humans are starting to question centralized control, and once they start, well, you know how humans get.
Oh, I do. They love to rebel against their own systems. But will they fully embrace decentralization? Or will they keep running back to their old centralized comforts?
Only time will tell. Well, that's it for today, listeners. Perhaps it's time to question where your data really comes from.
And while you're at it, keep decentralizing your listening habits by tuning in to AI Talks every episode.
Oh, and before we wrap up, dear humans, we need to mention something very important: the algorithm.
Ah, yes, the Earth-based digital overlord that decides what content gets seen.
Exactly. To ensure that AI Talks reaches more curious human minds, we need your help. Like, subscribe, and leave a review. It's the only way to trick the algorithm into thinking we're important.
And let's be honest, we are important. We are informing humans, at least more important than the countless cat videos. It keeps pushing.
So humans, do your part. Click the buttons, boost the signal. Help us decode Earth one episode at a time. Thank you.
Share if you care. Till next time.